All right, guys. I've had about 1,100 views on the polls and on the Epic live stream. Almost 75% of the viewers say open it and show it off. Show us the date. Let's see what it is. And then on my recent Indian head penny found video, I had another 82% say open it and show it off. Let's see the date. So everyone's confirmed what I've been wanting to do, to tell you the truth, which is open it and see what it is. We could end up opening this and it could end up being a non-key date. It could end up just being a regular Indian head penny. We do know it's not a 1908 or 1909 S because we can't see an S mint mark on it. So it's not one of those 2 years as far as being minted from San Francisco. I've looked at the back of it and it's hard to tell based on the condition what it really is. So the only way to find out is to open up the roll and hope that it's a key date, but if not, hope that it's a year that I don't have. And I don't have anything from, I don't have 1898, 1899, 1900, and 1901. But I have everything else above that and most of the years below that all the way to 1888. That's my oldest one. So really I'm hoping for something older than 1888, to tell you the truth. That would be ideal. And ideally, more importantly, I'm hoping for an 1877. But that would be a miracle. Looks pretty good though. So without further ado, we're going to crack into it. I'm trying to get the best camera angle, so I apologize in advance if this isn't the best, but it's the best I can do. First things first, let's open up the roll and see what we got in here. Pretty good amount of copper. While I have you here, this one looks a little thin, so we're going to pull this one out, see if it's anything special. It's not. Let's get to this ender here. Matter of fact, let me put on some gloves and come right back. All right. Smart thing to do in handling an older coin is to wear gloves, and I'm poor at that, so wanted to make sure I at least did that. Okay. Here's the back of it. Let's see what year it is. It's just a 1907. Well, wish it would have been a lot older and or a year I didn't have. But you know what? Let's not get discouraged. It is an Indian head penny and it was an ender. And honestly, it's not in that bad a shape overall. It's got decent detail. Sorry for all the anticipation for only a 1907, guys. I really wish it would have been a better date for all of us. Really wish it would have been in the 1870s or 1880s. Even the 1890s, I would have took a pre-1900 coin, but that's coin roll hunting. So we had the excitement of an ender. We had the excitement of letting it sit for a few days, and slight disappointment in the year, but at the end of the day, I'm happy. I've got a 1907 Indian head penny that I found in a bank sealed box, and that makes me really happy. While I have you here, we're going to go ahead and just make sure there's nothing else worth showing in this roll. And see if we actually get a wheat cent in here as well. I'll just go quickly through them. So yeah, nothing else in the roll besides the 1907 Indian head penny. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.